Hello Year 10. This term you are starting a new unit called Living the Muslim Life. In today's lesson you'll be learning about the 10 obligatory acts. So by the end of the lesson you'll be able to identify and describe all 10 obligatory acts and explain their importance to Shia Islam. Before we start you will need to ensure you have the following equipment: your revision guide, dictionary, some paper, a pen and a timer. If you don't have a timer you can use your phone. We will begin with the literacy task, so you may want to use a dictionary for this. If you haven't got one, use the link below, it should take you to an online dictionary. You will need to complete the sentence the word obligatory means and also attempt the master task. You will need about 2 minutes for this, so you can pause the video now. Obligatory means compulsory, something you have to do, you have no choice over this. When you think about what would you expect every Muslim to be obliged to do? Pause the video for a minute and jot down your thoughts. For this task, you will need your revision guide. Once you have that, you will need to find page 77. And when you are ready, you will need to read the information on page 77 and you will need to pause now. Once you've read the information on page 77, have a look at the paragraph below. There are some deliberate mistakes. You need to identify and correct the deliberate mistakes in the paragraph below. You also need to have a go at the master task, which is it is good to have religious rules to follow. Give one argument for the statement, one argument against the statement, and include a personal opinion. You need about 7 minutes for this task, so you will need to pause the video until you are ready to move on. How many of the deliberate mistakes did you get right? Now is your chance to demonstrate your learning. So you will be doing an exam question, so we have chosen a B question for you. Explain 2 reasons why the 10 obligatory acts are important for Muslims. You will need to think, how are you going to structure this? Have a look at the structure sheet on the right. It's a B question, so you know you will need 2 paragraphs. What else do you need to think about? You will have 4 minutes to complete this. You will need to use your timer or your phone to ensure that you're using the 4 minutes to complete this task. If you want to challenge yourself, you might want to change this question into a C question. Once you've done that and you've completed everything, I want you to upload a picture of your completed answer to ClassCharts.